Weather starts now with meteorologist Eric Johnson.
A fantastic holiday weekend. We are waking up this morning to lots of sunshine as we look live from Apgar Mountain and towards Lake McDonald this morning. High pressure is in control of our weather for today, so we are going to see a lot of sunshine. There's still a few lingering light showers on the eastern side of the state. Now, across central Montana, temperatures are already into the 50s, a few spots into the low to mid 60s this morning. We're on track to warm to the 80s for most areas this afternoon. 59 for Wolf Creek and Helena as you're stepping out the door this morning. Now, we have a high pressure ridge right between Salt Lake City and Denver. This is going to really expand to the north the next couple of days. So we're going to see very hot weather. That air is actually just going to be coming right out of the desert southwest into Montana. So we're talking highs in the 90s, even some triple digit heat possible for a few locations on Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we're going to see this low pressure system passing by to the north. That'll send a cold front through our area. We will see a big drop in temperatures from Wednesday to Thursday. Most areas dropping about 20 to 30 degrees. We'll also see some gustier winds and the chance for a few isolated showers and storms. But these are your high temperatures for tomorrow. We'll get up to about 97 in Havre, 100 degrees for Fort Benton, 92 in Lewistown, and 95 out in Glasgow. And then it gets even hotter on Wednesday for eastern Montana. We're up to 101 for Malta and Glasgow. Havre, you'll likely get up to 100 degrees and 96 for Great Falls. So just make sure you're staying hydrated and taking frequent breaks if you have to be outdoors. Check on your pets, the elderly the next couple of days. We're going to see a lot of sunshine for today, just a few high clouds around. And then going into Tuesday, we do start to see the wind picking up a little bit, but still looking at a lot of sunshine. Now, I do want to take it a little bit further ahead this week with that cold front passing through. So as we look towards Wednesday, we'll start to see that pushing right across the plains. We'll see stronger winds and the chance for a few isolated showers and storms. And then there will be a few rain showers around, especially for the high line going into Thursday. Now, as I mentioned, the wind is going to get a little bit stronger throughout this week. For today, wind speeds will be between about 10 and 20 miles an hour across central Montana. There could be a few stronger gusts for the Rocky Mountain front, but then those winds really get stronger into Tuesday, especially for areas along and east of I-15 where we could see gusts of 30 to 40 miles an hour. But most spots will top out in the 80s for today. 83 today in White Sulphur Springs, 85 for Boulder, and 87 in Fort Benton, 81 for Lewistown. We're going to see sunny to mostly sunny skies, so a pretty typical early July day here in Montana. 82 for Chester and 85 in Havre. Northeastern Montana, you'll see lots of sunshine as well. 83 over in Wolf Point. And looking ahead to the rest of the week, we'll jump up to the 90s the next 2 days in Great Falls and then dropping back to the 70s for Thursday. It should be a nice end to the week, but it gets pretty hot this weekend again with high temperatures around 90 degrees for both days. Now in Helena, we'll be up to 96 tomorrow, down to 93 Wednesday with more clouds, a chance for an isolated storm. We'll have that chance again on Thursday, but then we do heat up this weekend, lots of sunshine, temperatures in the low 90s.
Coming up on Montana This Morning, the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center looks to spruce up one of its most popular exhibits.